With Dash and Dot, real robots that engage kids right out of the box, we wanted to create a coding language that makes robotics every child's play. Robots live in the real world and can use multiple sensors to react to this world with lifelike capabilities. We wanted to develop a coding language that enables children at all ages to give robots such behaviors in an easy-to-use and intuitive interface. Introducing Wonder, a revolutionary new app that is the best creative tool for programming robots, giving children the power to reimagine the world around them and bring their ideas to life. The Wonder app is entirely visual and works on smartphones and tablets with an intuitive touch interface. Let's take a look at how the Wonder app works. In Wonder, as in the real world, Dash and Dot can be doing one thing at a time, such as a dance, turn, or a move. It's called a behavior. Dash and Dot can do all sorts of behaviors, like lights, sounds, movement, and some pretty cool animations. We can link these behaviors together so they happen one after another, or go to different behaviors if you want. Cues are what go on the links between the behaviors. They look like arrows and make the program go. Cues can be all different ways to make Dash or Dot go between their behaviors. A button press, a hand clap, or a timer, for example. All of these behaviors, links, and cues together make a state machine. This is the code that Robot runs. Linking behaviors is as simple as connecting the dots and as delightful as finger painting. Drag the connector with your finger from one state to the other. Then tap on the cue to select how you want to transition from one behavior to another. Click Run, and Dash or Dot will now do the state machine you just programmed. We designed Wonder to work for children without help from grown-ups. The Wonder app comes with challenge tutorials in the area called Scroll Quest. There are hundreds of challenges to help you learn with Wonder, with no previous programming knowledge required. As you advance through the challenges, not only will you learn how to use Wonder, but you will also unlock more cues and behaviors to use in free play. Free play is where you go to create your own state machines, either from what you've learned or just exploring and trying out different things. Once you've created a state machine you like, transfer it to your robot and go off to play without a screen. Kids are natural problem solvers. With Wonder, your child will learn programming in a fun and intuitive way. Wonder makes robotics accessible and fun for every child in ways never possible before.